What's on now?
All right, I'm on this side
Hey, I'm
of it.
watching you now. And who are you to him?
No, we're neighbors.
We're
You
neighbors.
trying to hook up with this guy?
No, I already got one of them at home.
A 92-year-old guy?
No, the father was 95.
You still do this shit?
Oh, yes.
Oh, God.
Are you kidding?
How you doing?
No,
No Viagra, right?
Very good.
Gina, the guy's 92, he wants to bang me. All right, we gotta go.
No Viagra, no nothing.
I love you guys, man. You know what, Pete? Hey, listen. Hey, no.
70.
Hey, how old are you?
75?
I'm the oldest one.
You're a
here.
puppy.
I'm 76. Do I look like
Come on, you guys staying or what? You leaving? Come on, let's go. You hear that shit? The guy's 92 years old. My Lord, that guy's great. Did you see that there?
I've seen him at a lot of weddings.
92 years old, and that guy picked me up by the neck and he squeezed me. I gave him a choke. Holy shit. All right, let me help you down here, man. That guy was 92 years old, man. He goes, he was looking for some guy with some comic book. Oh, shit, he got the brother pants on. That guy was 92 years old there. 92 years old. That guy picked me up by the, he went like this to me. Come here, son. No, he's 92.
92.
You guys together?
Yeah.
You married? You married? No. Let me tell you something. If you don't get married quick, dump him. She's good.
My cousin just got married yesterday.
Yeah.
Just went to a wedding.
How long you going out for? How long you guys together? Today's world, man. Come on, man. Get hitched. You get married, I come to the wedding, I swear to God, I'll give you the best speech. I do a spin, I won't charge you. You're about what, 22?
I'm 25.
Close.
25 and you?
Yeah, I'm 29.
29? Yeah. How many girlfriends you ever had in your life? How many girlfriends you ever had?
A lot.
You know what, I only had one. She wasn't married.
Probably like, I don't know,
A lot?
like actual girlfriends? Probably like
How about you? How many boyfriends?
How many boyfriends? My first one.
That's it, right? See what I mean? Gina! Don't jump, man! That guy who's up there 92 years old, man. And he told me he's still banging, man. The guy's 92, he goes, I'm still doing it, man. I want to write a book on that guy, Gina.
No.
Oh, no, he's swimming. The guy just jumped over, he's swimming. He's swimming. Could you imagine that? I swear to God, he shook my hand and squeezed it. I couldn't even grab his hand.
I'm going to find a
Oh, no, we're back to my friends over here. Look at the tough guy over here. Yeah. Causing all that trouble on the bus.
Jamie. We have to get it.
Yeah. Start all the trouble and then blame it on daddy and shit. Yeah, I swear to God, that guy was good, man.
Started with it, okay?
Now, when we leave here, we gotta show our tickets, right?
Yeah, you got to go back to Connecticut.
I'm swimming, man. I do this shit all the time, man.
Yeah, right. I want to see that.
Well, my wife is anyway. I mean, it's a beautiful place. Where we at? This is Bridgeport, right? That'd be Bridgeport. Hey, this is Gina. We're in Port Jeff. We're in the wrong place. We gotta go to Bridgeport.
We're Connecticut right now?
Yeah.
No, come on, it's Bridgeport, right?
Yeah, it's
Thank you. I had me scared there for a minute. I remember the towers and stuff. Don't lie to me. We're in Bridgeport, right? No, seriously?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smoking crack's a bad thing, man.
Actually, yeah.
Hey, pal, are you interested in this girl now? He was a little spitting on me. Yeah, he was spitting on me a little bit.
Nice to hear you.
Watch out for Wish. Oh, there she is. Oh, yes.
My
She is
sister.
over. Oh, yeah. She's definitely packing
She's
the
trying
beats,
to figure
man.
it out.
Sorry
what
about
she's
that.
thinking, what she's doing. She's trying
these
to figure
people
it out
here-
what the hell you're saying. Because she
Give me a
doesn't
call, let it go
understand
over
what
for
you're
it.
saying. That's what it
And then
is.
we were on there, we just talking. They want to show this movie and stuff. We yelled at for talking and laughing and smiling, whatever. I said, next you can't do any Mile High Club videos. That guy's attractive over there by the end of the boat. Cool guy, man. He's definitely got it going on. He's like Baywatch material.
Jake?
Baywatch! Yeah, you know who I'm talking about. He's a good looking dude, man. That guy is definitely one sexy dude. I bet you he's single. I bet he ain't no more than 25, man. I got a daughter at home. He's got it going on. 2% body fat, man. No, Not you, the guy over there. Come on, you thought I was talking about you. This guy's got a fake bulletproof vest on and shit. Who's gonna shoot you? I mean, really, come on. He's got a little hoodie on and stuff. So that guy definitely, anybody who works on a boat has got it going on. You see that rope over there?
All people, yeah, it's a turn on, you know.
Turn on. Could be a turn on.
Hey Gina, let's go act like we're in that movie. Come on. Like in that movie Titanic, we go by there, we go like this. Hey, watch. You're gonna chew this guy right now, Gary. Well, this guy's doing he was. First of all, listen, so I gotta say goodbye to you people. Hey, party at my house today. You wanna come? Having a party at my house. You wanna come? No charge. You come to my house, we're having a party, man.
You're not gonna be awake.
Shit, yeah, I am. I'm Irish, man. My father made 8 kids, and he don't remember making one of them. Irish people might have to curse, but we go all night long. You have more there? These people are ready to go. They're gonna go backwards.
Rita.
How come they're in the car already?
No, Rita is in the
Oh,
boss.
the one. Yeah, the bus.
Hey, really, I didn't know you could do it. Oh, here, look, now watch this guy's arms. Like,
All right, let's watch.
how do you, this
Let's
guy's
watch.
Watch the way he picks up that rope.
All right.
Oh, shit, he's handling that well. Doing it right over. That's how you handle an ankle, you know? Strength.
Because Chanel.
You like
Because
it, too.
Chanel.
Because Chanel.
You like
Because
it, man?
Chanel.
She likes that guy.
But he's asking you if you like that guy.
Sure, why not?
Are these people actually singing in here in the car?
No, they better not be.
You want to dance for daddy, man? Look at this, right to the right. See how close they get? Look at this, this is beautiful. This guy's pulling the boat right there, right?
Yeah?
Yeah, it's good, huh? You hear what the guy just said?
What?
He said, when I get off the boat, they're going to kick my ass. No, this guy's got to have a girlfriend, man. He's pulling the whole boat right there. Jump. See that? That guy should get a tip. Let's get you out of here. Here we go.
Learned a lot.
This is my father, man. He made me say this shit.
Learned a lot.
Gina, help me, man. Oh, here you go. It's like an NBA playing,
You
man.
don't get a ticket, do you?
Oh, I don't need a ticket.
You
I
don't
just
get a
jump.
ticket?
No. What, you got to pay a ticket?
Yeah, no.
I usually fly for free.
There you go.
Gina, you got my ticket? If you don't, I'm not going home. You better have my ticket. Gina, you have my ticket or what? Hey, Gina, do you have my ticket?
Yeah, I have the ticket.
Well, give it to the man because otherwise we're going to get busted up.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know who he is. No, I'm kidding. I have a ticket.
I'm the guy that texts me every night. Thank you. We did it. We made it, man. We made it.
He's in front of us. He's so cute.
What a ride that was, man. We almost got thrown off the...
What
Oh,
a
look.
trip, right?
Oh, I love the
I thought
cup.
we were going for days.
All right, we got a couple couples holding hands here, man. That's love, man. That's love. Gina, hold my hand. Let's feel good.
And my hands are full.
Yes.
Oh, they're on the boat.
Oh,
We should
they're-
actually
wait.
wave to that. Yeah.
Are you telling me we were just on that boat there?
Yeah. Janet's on the, yeah. She's probably sleeping.
It's probably...
You think so? That quick,
I
yeah?
can't believe it, man. When the time was right, I had the music there and the thing was dead. I mean, right there, we were right there. But you know what? It's a good trip. I can still dance in one of these bars here.
Oh, no.
But wait a second, this is Port Jeff.
No, we're going
This is
home.
we're in Port Jeff. We gotta go back to
We're
Bridgeport,
going home
man.
with Randy and Ellen.
We don't even live in this area. This is Port Jeff. This is like a rich area. We're going home with who?
Randy and Ellen.
Taking you home.
Where do you live?
We live in Port Jeff City.
This is Bridgeport. There's the B right there. Don't bullshit me. We're in Bridgeport. Trying to fool my ass. See the BG? We're in
No
Bridgeport.
one can fool you, Jeremy.
No, this is Bridgeport. Are you telling me this is Bridgeport? Please tell me I'm in Bridgeport. Are we in Bridgeport? We bet. Are we in Bridgeport? We better be in Bridgeport.
Yes, yeah. You better go back on the ferry.
No, my wife lives in Port Jeff. I want to go to Bridgeport. That's where my girl lives. Ooh. What you got in the bag, honey? You must be carrying my balls you took from me 10 years ago. Shake that ass, bitch, and see what you got. Look at you shaking the ass. Wait a second, I thought Spencer
We
was...
weren't here then, Randy. Where are you? We parked right facing here.
Do you have to go that way then?
Oh, shit. I told you you're going to come for us.
Thank you for...
All right, run, hurry up, run, they're coming for us. Hey, you guys are the best, man. Let me tell you something. I'll never forget you. Look me up on Facebook.com. I swear to God, I love you, man. That guy...
I bought him a pretzel.
My wife said she bought you a pretzel.
I did.
Look at Randy shake his ass with that bag,
Oh,
man.
now Randy shook his ass.
He's got the fucking bag of love.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got a big ass.
You know what, man? You know what he has?
No,
Don't
it's not
fucking
big.
not. Yeah, but he's got one, but I don't fucking break my balls.
He's got a big round ass.
Yeah, he does?
He does.
Randy, you want to
They're
sell
like
some of that
mouths.
shit?
They're like they're
You
mad.
love it, Ellen,
I
right?
love
I
Brad.
tell you right now, he's got long legs, too. He's like a long-legged...
You love it, Aunt Jimmy's, Willie?
And he's 6'4" or 5 or something, man. See, you know what? You know what? I'll tell you what. I'll give you some of my hair, and you give me some of your ass. We'll be okay. And Gina, stop looking at me like that. My wife sold me out, man. Sold me out. You sold me out to that guy, Gina. That's it. And even Ellen stepped up to the plate. I gotta be honest with you. Ellen stepped up. Ellen stepped, right, Randy? Ellen stepped up. Thank you, Jeremy. Gina, you know, for that, I will not have sex with you for at least 12 hours. Well, maybe 3.
There you go.
No, but really, I mean, she sold me out.
Want to put your stuff in the bag?
I can hold it, that's
I'll
fine.
put somebody, you can hold it.
Yeah?
I can't believe we made it here, man.
Put it in the bag.
We actually made it back alive.